If you notice a lack of moisture, split ends, breakage, or dullness in your hair, it means you are suffering from damaged hair. Now it's time for you to learn how to repair damaged hair and take back control. Today we will share 5 most easy and powerful ways to fix damaged hair fast at home. Try it and get gorgeous, shiny and healthy hair. How to fix damaged hair fast. Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. Deep hydrating argan oil hair mask for dry, damaged, color-treated, and curly hair. Enriched with keratin that fortifies hair with hydration, nourishing each strand of hair, and sealing split ends for complete repair and restoration. The revitalizing formula strengthens hair to make it more manageable and resistant to breakage, while creating silky, soft, and flexible hair. Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask is a sulfate-free natural hair repair treatment for healthy, beautiful, strongest hair. Hundreds of users are highly satisfied with this treatment mask. Get yours from the description link below. Repair damaged hair with an avocado. Mash a ripe avocado with an egg white. Apply this remedy to your wet hair. Leave on for at least 20 minutes, then rinse well. Repeat 3 times a week. Avocados are rich in vitamins, essential fatty acids, and minerals that will help restore luster to your hair. Powerful egg mask. Combine 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons olive oil and 3 egg whites, then rub the mix into your hair. Keep your hair covered for about half an hour, using plastic wrap or a shower cap. Then shampoo and rinse. Massage and butter. Treat your dry, brittle hair with a small amount of butter for a glossy shine. First melt the butter and let it cool. Massage it into your dry hair and cover with a shower cap for about an hour. Then shampoo as usual. Treat with almond oil. Almond oil is a wonderful repair for damaged hair. Apply small amount of almond oil until your hair is thoroughly covered. Top off with a shower cap and a warm towel for about 30 minutes, then rinse and shampoo. Repeat 3 times a week. Try it, get gorgeous, shiny and healthy hair.